Okay, so the first stage we're going to be presenting is the alpha stage. And yeah, we're going to do it in the form of a stage.
Franklin D. Roosevelt began his career in public service after flunking out of Columbia Law School. He then decided to run for governor of New York. Dwight D. Eisenhower was rejected 3 times for command positions before being appointed Supreme Allied Commander in 1942. Harry Truman opened a hat and shirt shop at age 35 that went bankrupt after just 2 years. Truman worked 15 years to pay off the debt.
So as you can see in this scene, Haley, our ideal student, is falling asleep during the lesson because she's going through a relaxed and drowsy state, and it's causing her to keep nodding her head.
And nodding off.
Okay, so now we're going to do stage 1, and we're going to pretend that the desk is now a bed. Okay, so it's around 11 o'clock, and Haley is starting to become tired after reading a long novel. And, so go ahead. Let's pretend 5 minutes has elapsed. Haley!
Oh, hey. What's up?
So as you can see, it's still easy to be awoken during this stage. And now we're going to move on to stage 2, which will be around 12 o'clock. This is the beginning of real sleep. So she has, she's starting to fall into a deeper sleep. And it's a little bit harder to be awoken. So if I were to try to wake her up, I'd have to do a little something. Haley. Okay, so that's how she'd have to be woken up for that one. And what I explained.
Stage 3 is the deepest sleep, and it's most difficult to be awakened from.
So basically what we would have to do for Haley to be awoken is that instead of just calling her, showing her, we'd have to like we'd be able to wake up because she's going to be so deep asleep.
And if we were going in a time scale, this would be around 12:30.
And then the REM sleep, that's when she would start to dream. And she'd just be in like her own little world dreaming about whatever she wants to be dreaming about. And that'll be for like, basically almost like 3 about it, 4 o'clock in the morning, the last stage.
Haley's dreaming about Manchester and how
And tap dancing.
tap dancing. Yeah, so.
Yay.
Yay.
Yeah.